A very good morning to all my dear friends. This is a very small video to tell you how you can download SPSB report card from your KV Fit KVN website and for your class. So first of all, on the Google Chrome you will open fitkvn.com. You can see on the top the address is given. Then after that, in the user ID you will type KVS headmistress 2211 and afterward the password. I shall give you the password separately. I'll just type the password here. Once you have given the password, click on sign in. Click on sign in once again. Yes. So it's taking, yes. So once the login has done, now the next thing is you have to click on reports. So under reports you have term report. Click on term report, then click on select school. From here we'll choose Kendriya Vidyalaya Khichadipur. Then instead of all terms we'll click on term 2 because term 1 report cards has already been downloaded, and after that you have to click on view. I'll have to wait for a while till the time it gets loaded. It may take little more time also at times, but you have to be little patient. It will open up. Yes, so you can see it has opened now. It is giving you the summary over here that these are the total students, term 2, your school name, duration, everything is being given here. Scroll towards left, I mean you have to see on your extreme right, you see the detailed report, view is given. Click on this view. It will open another window in front of you. Now over here you can click on select class. So let's suppose I want to download the report card for class 1B. So I'll choose 1B. Now there are two options, one is view and another one is the download report card. So if I click on download report card, you see it will download one PDF file, and that PDF file will be having report card of all the students of your class. Okay, so once this file is downloaded, you can take it on your system. I mean it will come to your system, and in case if you want to download individual report card, so you have to click on view. We'll see both the options one by one. Again you'll have to wait a little, it takes little time. The file is getting downloaded, I hope. Yes, now you see on the top it is showing, it was showing you 1 of 46. You can see on the top left hand side it is showing you 1 of 46. So that means total 46 students are there, and these are the report cards. Keep scrolling one by one. So the first student was, you can see the name on the top, Kriti Kumari. Then the next one is Gyandeep. Then keep scrolling, the third one is Yuvraj, so on and so forth. So this complete file is of your class. So this was one of the option through which you can download the report card of whole class. Now the second option, let us see the second option also, whereby you want to download individual report card. Then in that case, just a second, I have to go back to the main page. This is the same page. Yes, so when you are here on this page, instead of clicking on download report card, you simply click on view. So it will open another window where you can see individual's report card. I just show you. See, so this is your file. Some of the test, I suppose the weight is not entered here, anyhow. So over here it shows you, okay, keep scrolling towards your left. On extreme right you see click on view. Now if you click on view, let me refresh. The file is not downloaded. Just a second, let me take another student. If I click on view, okay, let me choose a different class. Probably the data is not complete, so let us choose 1A. Click on view. You again have to be little patient. It takes time at times. Yeah, now you can see the data of 1A is complete in all aspects. Only one child is I suppose left, that is Anushka, and that is 1 or 2 tests. That's fine. So now if you want to download, the first student is Arav. You see here the first student is Arav. Scroll towards right, extreme right, you have the option of report. Under that you have to click on view. Now you see this is the report card of Arav only. Alright, this is 1 of 1, it is giving you 1 of 1. So this is the report card of one child only. It is downloaded. Or if you want to download it, right click and click on save as, and then you can give the name of a child Arav. So this is how you can download. On right click, just a second. Over here, since I'm recording it here on the iPad, so it has a different option. So if you are doing it through phone or if you are doing it through laptop or computer, you simply have to right click on this sheet. It will give you the option of save as. So when you click on save as, over there you have to give the name of a child, that is Arav 1A, and the file would be saved on your system. That's it. Once you have downloaded the file, click on close this window. Then you'd see the another child, that is RV Chadda. Again you have to click on view. It will open the report card of RV Chadda only. Now the same thing, right click on this page, click on save as, and then give the name of the child, that is RV Chadda. The file would be downloaded on your system. So this is how you have to keep shifting on this screen. Then again you have to choose another student and so on. I hope how you have to download the report card of individual student is very much clear. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me on the WhatsApp official group. Thank you, friends.